Do you have any lighting headaches around your plant, but you're not really sure what kind of lights you need? And maybe you don't even have the time to go around and do an audit of the different areas in your department. What if I told you that you can have a lighting audit report of your plant or department for free with no obligation to buy? For the past 15 years, we've been pioneers in LED lighting for heavy industrial plants. We have a team of local LED in action reps that are heavy industrial specialists who spend most of their week inside heavy plants, from steel mills to paper plants, meat packing facilities, gas and oil, and even mines all across the US and Canada. Our team's really familiar with and comfortable with the proper PPE required to get into plants, and we understand the unique applications and the harsh environments that are causing lights to fail in plants, whether it be in hot mills, overhead traveling cranes, high voltage issues, or washdown areas, outdoor high mast lighting. So here's how we do the audit. We come in on site, take building measurements, look at the ceiling height, take some temperature readings, do current lighting levels, look at your voltage and the wattages that you're currently using. And because we've done so many audits over the years, it doesn't really take long and it's hassle-free. From there, we provide you with a report that's yours to keep. You can rest easy knowing that you have a lighting plan, along with our recommendations, with no obligation to buy from us. In fact, we don't sell direct to industrial plants. We only sell through major electrical distributors, which you might even be under contract to buy from. They already have our part numbers in their system. Little side note here that not all free audit requests will qualify. Since we specialize in LED lighting just for heavy industrial plants, we don't offer audits for commercial buildings or for smaller facilities. If you are a heavy industrial plant and you want help with a fast and hassle-free lighting audit at your plant or your department, go ahead and fill out the audit request form below to get started, and we look forward to hearing from you.